Hi, so today I'm gonna mount the battery to my boat, and the new boats that from Dick's, they already have the mounting hardware on there, but the old one like this one, it doesn't have it, and the battery is just flying around and stuff. So I bought this eye straps, so I'm gonna mount two of them on each side, and then I got this washers right here, nuts washers. This came from um, Ace Hardware. So I'm going to drill two holes, insert it in, and then when you screw the screw in here, it collapses and it's going to hold it to a plastic. So let's do that. Okay, and we're going to put one on each side. So it's going to be one on this side and one on the other side. And then I'm going to put a strap around it. So let's drill a hole. Okay. Now we're going to drill a bigger hole. Now this bigger one is a 3/8. Okay. Insert those two nuts in there. Put this on top. Two bolts. Okay, and they'll make it. I will hold it. Now we're gonna put another one on the other side. Right there. Okay. Gonna drill a bigger one. Okay. Same thing. Put two of them. This on top. Two bolts. Alright, and it's gonna hold it. Now we'll put the battery here. Let me find my strap, the one I was using. This is the strap I'm gonna use. Okay. And we'll strap it. And it ain't going nowhere. I can drive now with the battery in there, and it ain't gonna go nowhere. Alright, so that's how you mount the battery to your plastic boat. Subscribe for more videos, and you guys have a good one.